Hi friends, welcome to Yuvaguru Maths Theory Lectures. We have theory and practical, two separate types of video lectures. In theory, we cover the concepts, and in practical, we cover the solved examples and tough examples. So, both theory and practical together are useful for CBSE, ICSE, various state boards across India and outside India as well. Anyone who wants to understand maths properly needs to download this Yuvaguru Maths Olympiad app from Play Store. Let's focus on our topic. Today's topic is logical reasoning theory. Practical videos we have already covered separately. So logical reasoning generally consists of two parts: quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning. So what is logical? Logical reasoning consists of aptitude questions which require a logical level of analysis to arrive at a correct solution. See here, this has very less to do with maths and very high to do with logical thinking, which is very uncommon. Most of the questions are constructed based on the concepts and rest are out of the box thinking ones. So logical reasoning is classified into two parts: verbal and non-verbal. Verbal means what? It's the ability to logically understand the concepts and solve problems expressed in words. Means understand the concepts and solve problems expressed in words. So these are expressed in words. Everything is written, means like paragraph. Problems would be in lines, paragraph. Verbal reasoning tests the ability of extraction of information and implication in a sentence. Now non-verbal. It's the ability to logically understand the concepts and solve problems expressed in numbers, letters, figures in combination with words. So these are the two types: verbal, non-verbal. In verbal, these are expressed in words, and in non-verbal, these are expressed in numbers, letters, figures, etc. It is included in almost all government exams, all IT information technology exams, and every entrance nowadays has a logical reasoning part. How to solve a logical reasoning? See here, this is all theory which I am talking of. You just pay attention to this and understand the sentences, and practical videos you will see the practical problems which have been solved. Okay. So first step is read and understand the information carefully. This is very important. Understand. We read but we don't understand. We have got a habit in our life of only reading and mugging it up. Don't do that in life at all. Second, analyze critical logical info. Then third, think of all possible solutions. This is very much important. The solution which we think is not always correct. There might be some other solution also, right? Compare the answer obtained with other possibilities. So means once you get an answer, check with the other solutions, one or two only, not all. Come to the correct logical conclusion. The topics included in the logical reasoning comprise the following. Comprise, it's never of, it consists of, but comprise the following. This of is wrong. Okay. So what does it comprise? Verbal questions, image based questions, puzzle questions, and sequence questions. Verbal means they are to be solved verbally, no pen paper required. Image based means mirror images or paper construction based images may be given, means water images, all these are given. You see the practical videos, you will find it. Candidates may be asked to find similar or dissimilar figures. There are many as such. Puzzle questions. These include sitting arrangement, arranging people, days, months, places, and sequence questions, right? Means see this puzzle questions, we get these problems. A does not sit like B, so it does not sit together with B. B likes C. It's like that. These types of problems you get. In a circle you get. Now sequence questions. In such questions, a series of sequence, people, number, alphabets, etc. may be given, and questions based on the same may be asked. Means what? Complete the following sequence. Some numbers are given: 2, 7, 11, and find the fourth one. Okay, like that. See, these are all the logical reasoning section questions or topics which are asked. Now I want to read this. 23 are there. You pause the video and read everything. Okay. We are trying to cover all these practical problems in our practical videos. In fact, 30 are there. So we are trying to cover all these 30. Okay. Let's see few sample questions. So let's try one few. Based on the alphanumeric series given below, answer the following questions. See this. This is alphanumeric. Alphanumeric means all the signs, numbers, alphabets, everything will be there. So the question is, how many numbers in the series are preceded by a vowel? Now what is the vowel? You should understand. A, E, I, O, U, right? So how many of them are preceded? If you check, you will find that the answer is 2. Means see this, answer number 3, but the 3 is 2, means there are two numbers in the series which are preceded by the vowel. Okay, which one? See this, 7, before that I is there, A, I, O, U. 0, before that E is there. Okay, so answer is 2. Now similarly others. What is the second element from the right of seventh element from the left? See here, these problems are already solved in the practical videos, so I'll directly give you the answers over here. Second element from the right of the seventh element from the left. So second element from the right of the seventh element from the left. So these words are confusing. You need to understand it clearly and with the calm head. Okay, so the answer is 7. Means fourth answer, but the fourth answer is 7. The seventh element from left is 1 and second element to the right is of 1 is 7. So 7 is the answer. See this second one, similar to that. From a certain point, Smriti walks 70 meters towards south. Then she turns to her right and start walking straight for another 70 meters. Then again turning to her left, she walks 60 meters for 60 meters. Then she turns to her left and walks 70 meters. How far she is from the starting point? Start marking. See here, initial point towards south. Mark south. Then turn right. Na right. It's to her right. Yeah. So 70 to the right. Then 60 to left. I think so. Yeah. To her left. And then 60. Right. So 60 to her left. Again 70 to her left. See this, means here. So she is over here now. So from starting point, how much? 70 plus 60, 130. So she is 130 away from the starting point. In a row of persons, the position of Sakshi from left side of the row is 26th and position of Sakshi from the right side of the row is 35th. Find the total number of students in the row. See this, from left it's 26, from the right it's 35th. So it will be 26 plus 35 minus 1, because you are counting this Sakshi 2 times, from here also and from here also, right? 26 plus 35 minus 1, so 60. Total number of students 60. You will find all these and much difficult problems in the practical videos. In a certain code language, animals is written as this. How will be the word online? See, this is just a reverse mirror image. So just check this, E-N-I, where is it? So answer is 1, right? Online mirror image. So this, if you understand it, it's quite easy. If you don't understand it, it's the hell. A family consists of 6 members: Priya, Qureshi, Raj, Javi, Yusuf and Zain. Qureshi is the son of Raj, but Raj is not the mother of Qureshi. Priya and Raj are married couple. Yusuf is the brother of Raj. Javi is the daughter of Priya. Zain is the brother of Priya. How many children does Priya have? Sure, in this type of questions we have solved it in practical problems, practical videos. We have to draw the charts. Only then you will understand. Okay. So the answer is 2. You draw the chart yourself or follow our practical videos. You will get these. So answer is 2. How? See this, Qureshi is the son of Raj, right? So Raj and Priya are married. Raj is not the mother, so Raj is the father, Priya is the mother, right? So Qureshi is the child of Priya and Raj. One done. Xavi is the daughter of Priya, so that second is also done. So 2. That's it. 5 friends. See this, question is 7 to 8, both these questions. Read the info given below and carefully answer the questions. 5 friends A, B, C, D and E traveled from Tamil Nadu to 5 different states: UP, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Karnataka and Punjab by 5 different modes of transport: cycle, bus, train, truck and bike. The one who traveled to Rajasthan did not travel by bike. C went to Karnataka by truck. B went to Maharashtra by train. D traveled to by bike and E traveled by bus. Tamil Nadu is not connected by cycle to UP and Rajasthan. So which means of transport did C use? You'll have to draw everything by pencil and paper over here fastly. Then only you'll be able to solve it. See, read the question again. You'll understand many hints. UP and Rajasthan, no cycle. It's given, not connected. So cycle only in these three. But in these three also Maharashtra is given as train and Karnataka is given as truck. So cycle comes to Punjab. Then Maharashtra train, Karnataka truck, and these two remain now. Bike and bus remain, but it's already given B by bike and E by bus. So which transport did C use? Quite simple now, truck. Which state did E travel to? Same, apply the same logic and draw the table. You will get the answer. See this will be the table. So which did E travel to? The answer is Rajasthan. Okay. You must use pen and paper immediately. Similarly, one more, 9th and 10th. Read the following info and answer the following questions. Pankaj, Kasif, Rajat, Supriya, Tina, Utkarsh, Vartika, Wasim and Zoya are sitting around a circle facing at the center. Means they are sitting around a circle facing each other. Right? Rajat is third to the right of Zoya, who is second to the right of Pankaj. Supriya is not an immediate neighbor of Zoya and Rajat. Tina is third to the left of Supriya. Kasif is third to the right of Wasim, who is not immediate neighbor of Supriya. Vartika is not the neighbor of Zoya. See here, important part is always remember while writing or drawing, writing anything by pencil, these all names, the first letters should be different. If they are not, then you add something and write it. Don't keep on writing the full names. Write P, Q, R, S and put them in place. Then use all these permutations and combinations and then you will get the answer. I am not solving it over here, but you need to solve it. Put the circle. We have solved this in practical videos. So how many people are sitting between Wasim and Supriya? Counted clockwise from Supriya. So answer is 3. You do it yourself and then you will find the answer. This being the theory lecture, I won't be going into the practical problems. Okay, who is sitting third to the right of Vartika? So answer is Zoya. Check it yourself. Write all, put the circle and write all the names. Okay, so that was a theory on logical reasoning. Download Yuvaguru Maths Olympiad app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. We have two separate types of video lectures, theory and practical. In theory we cover the concepts and in practical we cover the examples. Both this theory and practical together are useful for CBSE, ICSE, various state boards across India and outside India as well. Anyone who wants to understand maths better needs to download this Yuvaguru Maths Olympiad app. Follow us on Facebook on this link, WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.